It is a privilege for me to be here on this day when we celebrate yoga. And it is in my constituency, Quepem, so I'm delighted and I thank the department for inviting me. Definitely, in our childhood days, yoga was, I'm 50 now, so we're not that awareness was not there. But it is a nice thing that the government has made this awareness program of yoga. Anika, when it is yoga, it has nothing to do with religion, caste, creed. It is just a holistic way of keeping yourself healthy. So from today, when we celebrate this yoga day, you all have to give some time for yoga. You have to start now. You have to tell your parents, you all have to do it and keep yourself and body healthy. Even when you study, when you are healthy, when your mind is at peace, you will do better in school. Study is very good. So from tomorrow, whatever in a smaller way you can start. So you will start, put that thing as a practice every day, routine. So when you are brushing, take 10 minutes of your time and do yoga. Otherwise, making this session is of no use. It is just for Takopa yoga day celebrate. Whatever has been taught, please make an initiative, take this step to do 10 minutes of yoga or 15 minutes. And then when you all start, your parents might also start. So study well and be good citizens. Bori muncha, going ki desha ke bori nagrik jawba dai. Bori kon sikpa dai. Aoi baba kon sogle aite mar aoi baba ko you all give respect your parents, teachers. You listen to your teachers. Ide aite teacher ke aite mar sogle. My pai ke aite mare. When you all study, you will be good children, good citizens of this country. Both jatle, doctor jatle, engineer jatle, politicians jatle, sogle jatle. But kun sikpa jai, bor base raupa jai. So I thank the department for inviting me, giving me this opportunity to speak. Let us all work together, make our Quepem great, Goa great, and India great. Thank you.